Battle of the Mountains.
Yeah.
So once again, whānau, thank you. This is a way that they can show you all of the awesome learning they've been doing the last term, and big mihi to the kaiako. I know it's been a hard mahi, hard term, whai Nicole, whai Caroline, whai Jess, whai Rachel, and all our wonderful kaiawhina. We thank you, heaps, and I'm sure they thank you. They might show it to you in colourful ways, but they do love you. But thank you, whānau, for coming, and we'll kick it off.
Tēnā koutou katoa. So as Charlene said, we've based a lot of our wearable arts themes on the Battle of the Mountains. So I'm just going to go over that story for those of you who may not know it. A long, long time ago in the centre of Te Ika Maui, there were a group of mountains. There were the Warri Mountains, Tongariro,